Hello, everyone. Thanks for having me. I'm Herry, the co-founder and CEO of Etanee, the cold chain enabler for food industry. Yeah. Next slide for the second. Okay, I will start with the story of ice cream and chicken meat. It is so easy to find and buy ice cream at every retail stores, right? But why it is so hard to find chicken meat and beef at the same stores? Well, the consumption frequency is much higher compared to ice cream. So one of the key problems for fresh and perishable product is lack of cold chain logistic infrastructure. The cold chain availability is the root cause of price up and down and supply shortage during peak season. At the other side, building cold storage requires a big investment. Yeah. So then we come up with this solution we called digital automation. Etanee is a digital supply chain platform that creates cold chain ecosystem for frozen fresh produce using sharing economy approach by connecting third-party food suppliers, logistic hubs owned by anyone, delivered by partner transporter using automation technology. So in terms of business model, actually we are like Airbnb in creating supply ecosystem in the food industry. Yeah. So this slide to describe how the digital supply chain logic is working out. The first important chain is we created is Stockist, which is a wholesale warehouse serving bulk order from B2B and reseller agent within 10 kilometers radius coverage. Stockist logistic hub doesn't sell product owned and managed by our third-party partner, and out managed by our automation system. Okay, the economic impact of what we're doing is so profitable. Etanee gets minimum 20% gross margin from partner suppliers and distributed into our stockists by 3% sharing fee from monthly gross sales, and our reseller agent get around 10%. By having this business model, we can deliver 3 key value proposition: easy order within 60 minutes, same day delivery, 20% cheaper compared to traditional modern stores, and quality guarantee as using cold chain infrastructure. Yeah. Our core target customer is B2B, as we offer the supply chain solution, especially for chain restaurants with more than 10 outlets. Our model can reduce up to 6% of their logistic and delivery costs. We are also tapping small B2B and community-based reseller agent using social commerce approach. These are some key features that enable massive user acquisition and high conversion rate, as we use the features as well as the social media integrated into the apps. Yeah. The impact of what we're doing is so massive. We connect the supply chain ecosystem using stock automation system, connect it with the demand side using location-based logic, cloud computing, and app-based delivery service. And here are some pictures of our cold chain infrastructure, operationally managed by our third-party partner, but digitally managed by our system. This is a distribution center with 40 tons capacity, stockist 2 tons capacity, and truck freezer, cold chain, and also last mile delivery with freezer. Yeah. Currently, we have already reached 8 cities with, this is the addressable market. Really promising. Our potential addressable market is 13.2 billion and acquire 60 million household and 4.5 million SMEs retailers. Yeah. Currently, we have already reached 8 cities with 16 stockists with 49,000 users, growing very fast with high retention rate at 45%, very cheap CAC at $1.5 per users. And just expanding out this model will be crossing the Central Java by only 12 months. And by next 3 years, we aim to acquire 10 million users with double growth month-on-month and maintaining retention rate and acquisition costs. Currently, we are raised for fund at $1 million for next 30 months growth plan. Yeah. And these are some awards and recognition that we get. Yeah, and these are 3 of us, the founders, a very mixed, perfect founders from marketing, cold chain.
All right, fantastic. Thank you, Harry.